What is up, YouTube? I am super duper excited today. Today is a special day because today I am launching my latest product, Email Success Secrets. This is probably the best product I've ever launched. I am so excited. I can't wait to tell you all about it. It's coming right up, right after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. An old New York pretzel. You know, I love those soft pretzels that they have here. Wonderful stuff. But if you get one that's stale, forget about it. It's awful. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why do I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or really? Every day you gotta do this? Every single day? Do you know how annoying that guy is? All the time, yakety, over and over again. You'd think you'd get a life. Anyway, if the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a fellow New Yorker. I can't get angry at a fellow New Yorker. She's a wonderful person. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. We are looking right now at the sales page for Email Success Secrets. Now, let me show you what I was able to do with this. Okay, so this is real numbers, over 800 buyer leads that I've added. I actually have more than just durable that I've offered, but this is the one that I've offered most often. So that's why I have that as the thing that I'm showing you here. Over $1,349 earned. And I literally did no work in order to do this. This wasn't like I was working really hard in order to make this happen. I basically did one small thing in order to be able to get. These are all confirmed, guaranteed buyer leads that are on my list that have made money for me since they've been on my list. People who are interested in products who may very well have come to my list because of this particular product. And they're all people who are buyers. Now, the crazy thing is, it literally took a couple of minutes of my time. And ordinarily, this wouldn't be something that you as a newbie, if you are a newbie, would be able to do. But I'm giving you a leg up that nobody else is going to give you. So as you can see, it says we'll give you the exact tools used to make this happen. You're literally getting the exact tools that I used to make this happen. Okay, I'm going to show you where to go, how to be able to give this away, and how to get leads onto your own list. You're going to get a ready-made squeeze page. It's basically a page where people are going to go visit, and they're going to sign up to your email list. You are going to put your own email list on there. They're going to sign up to your email list, and the free gift they're going to get is going to be my own course called Durable, which is one of my best courses. Okay, and then you're also going to have the option, they have the chance to be able to collect commissions for anybody who purchases any upgrades. That's how I got this $1,349. That's from commissions and upgrades. Okay, that people purchased. The front end was just given away for free. And then people bought upgrades. I made over $1,349 from upgrades alone. Okay, you are going to have the chance to do the exact same thing, use the exact same method, do the exact same thing that I did. You're going to give it away for free, and you're going to get buyer leads. These are guaranteed buyer leads. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, but I'm not just going to tell you how to do that, because I know that, you know, getting leads on your list is great, but that's not the only thing you need. You also need to be able to actually make money off of these leads. So I'm going to show you how to write emails that convert. If you've been on my list before, you've probably seen some of my emails, but I'm really going to take it to the next level and really show you everything I know about writing emails that really make sales, okay, including the Triple S strategy, which is one of the best things I've ever put together. And you're going to see every single detail about it. But then I went even further because what I've been doing, if you are on my email list, you probably noticed that my emails tend to go into the inbox a lot more often than other people's do. And that's not by accident. That's by design. I actually have a testing regimen that I came up with that has allowed me to be able to test and get my emails into the inbox, which is something that everybody dreams of, but very rarely manages to accomplish. I've been able to get open rates as high as 20 to 30%, okay, which is unheard of in this industry. The typical open rates, by the way, about 2 to 4%, even for people on your own list, buyer lead, so to speak. 2 to 4%. That's the typical open rates. So getting 20 to 30% open rates is insane numbers. That is absolutely insane. I've been able to do that because of the fact that I was able to use this particular testing method, which nobody else does. Is very, very uncommon. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you the tools to do it. Let me show you the members area real quick so you can see what's included here. Okay, we're not doing a whole ton of stuff here with the upgrades. By the way, we'll talk about the upgrades in just a moment. But you can see you have building an email list. There's 3 different methods. The method number 3 is the one that I use to do durable. These other 2 methods are great. I've used both of these methods as well. They both work. This is the one that I use for durable. It's very, very simple, very easy. Okay, then you have writing emails. You have a 4-part piece in writing emails where I'm going to teach you everything I know about writing emails. And then this to me is the most important thing, the inboxing. Basically, this is going to teach you how to land in the inbox, because if you land in spam, if you land in promotions tab, forget it. You may as well not bother existing. Okay, and then you have 4 different bonuses here. Okay, so the first one could be a quick case study where I'm showing you that I practice what I preach. The second one is going to be all about timing. It's very important to get the timing right on your emails. Third one is going to be one tiny change that I made. This was wild to me. I made one tiny change, and that one tiny change was the difference between landing in the spam box or landing in the inbox. That was just insane to me. And then the final thing you're going to see here is going to be the done for you squeeze pages. Basically, what I'm giving you is you get the right here. You can request to promote durable for free. You can't just, it's not available. If you go search for durable, you can search for regular durable, but the durable free version deliberately is not available to the general public. You have to request it using my special link that is not available to the general public. And you can go ahead and then use the squeeze pages to give it away for free. But then I also have even more bonuses here. Check all these bonuses out. The traffic multiplier, one of my best courses I ever made. I put it together a long time ago. It's still very relevant. Video creation mastery. Okay, you get 6-part video creation mastery. Then you get social media mastery. Okay, then we have a whole bunch of lectures that are out of this world. Declan Mack, I attended this lecture in person. I recorded for you. I spoke to Declan. He was kind enough to allow me to give this away to you for free. This is not, by the way, on the sales page. Keith Kuzmanov on email marketing. One of the best things I've ever seen on email marketing. Really insane. Stephen Alvey on Success Online. Stephen was my mentor for a long time. And this was an insanely good interview. Okay, none of these things are on the sales page, by the way, so don't think that they're going to be on the sales page. You're also going to get Google AdWords training, you get Facebook ads training, you get Twitter ads training, plus I'm giving you my own local video jackpot, plus I'm giving you 10 WordPress themes and 10 WordPress plugins. These are premium themes and premium plugins that you would not get by downloading them off of the WordPress repository. These are premium things that people paid money for. Okay, plus you're going to get my own course, Unstoppable, plus you're going to get Insta Bio link, and then my buddy Cam has his $1,000 email. You're getting all these things. Now, let me show you the price. You're not going to believe when I show you what the price is, okay? Because I am absolutely crazy to give this stuff away for so little. Actually, you can't see the price yet because it's still on the early bird. It's $8.95 for the first 24 hours. You can see the clock here. Okay, you can see it's counting down. When it hits 1 day exactly, that's when it opens up. It's going to be $8.95 for the first 24 hours. Okay, after the first 24 hours, it goes on a dime sale where it increases every single hour. So do not delay in getting in because the first 24 hours are going to be critical. $8.95. If you pick up during the first 24 hours, you get all of these bonuses as well. Let me give you a quick preview of the upgrades, just so you know what the upgrades are. So the upgrades, first of all, very important. The Facebook group is going to be really important because I'm sharing new information that I discover every time on the Facebook group. So that's really, really important. We have a done for you edition where you're going to get 100 emails that I've already written. I'm going to give you my secret hack that I've used for testing that cuts down tremendously on the amount of time it takes me to test. Actually, I was surprised when I did that. It was interesting. Something happened that I wasn't expecting to happen when I did the video for the DFI edition, but okay. Then you have the newsletter edition. Basically, this is my monthly No Push newsletter, which a lot of you are already on, and I thank you for it. And I know a lot of you love it. If you're not on it, get in now. You can get a discounted rate during the launch. At you can pay 3 months in advance and get a discounted rate. And then you have the Steal My Money version, where basically you're getting the right to give it away sell email success secrets, and you keep all the money. Okay, so it's a really, really crazy thing. I didn't do a super deep funnel deliberately. I wanted to keep this simple. I wanted to keep it focused, and I wanted to be something that would be great for you. And okay, let's face it, I am going to give a tip my hat to myself because I know that my course is going to help you. It's going to make you money. It's going to really, really pop for you. You need to get in now, though, because this thing is going to be absolutely insane for you.